How to join two different shapes at the vertices. Select both objects and convert to mesh. This is just for demonstration purposes as they were already mesh objects. Move the objects as close as you want the vertices to be, then drag select both shapes. And go to Object Join or hit Ctrl J. Both shapes are now one shape, although not fully connected at the vertices, so let's sort that out. Tab key into Edit mode, select one of the end vertices, and Shift select the one you want to join to. Hit the M key and select the most appropriate choice. Select the remaining vertices, hit M again and select the best choice for how far apart the vertices are. Your shape should now be whole. Well done. Have a rather splendid day.